Thank you for joining us today. We recently conducted the 2018 State of the Mainframe survey to gain some insight into the practicality and cost of eliminating 3270 mainframe applications and the implementation of any modernization initiatives. I would like to present some of the findings from this survey to you. To begin, we asked how long it would take for a respondent's organization to eliminate all of their 3270 mainframe applications. As you can see, the majority estimate that it would take anywhere from 2 to more than 10 years to accomplish such a task. In fact, a significant number of respondents indicate that it would take 5 to more than 10 years to accomplish the task. Then we asked our readers to estimate the cost of eliminating all of their 3270 mainframe applications if they were to do so. The majority of respondents estimate that it would cost more than $10 million. If we include those readers who selected $5 to $10 million with the group who estimated a cost of more than $10 million, it is easy to see how many of our readers are estimating the cost for such a task to fall within the $5 to more than $10 million range. This insight shows that the mainframe will definitely be important to organizations for at least the next 10 years into the future, and probably much longer, since only a small percentage of organizations have already started a project to eliminate 3270 mainframe applications. When we asked our readers what has prevented them from eliminating their 3270 mainframe applications, the vast majority of respondents indicated that the applications provided a competitive advantage to the business and eliminating them would hurt the business, or B, the applications provide a better value than other alternatives which were considered, or C, replacing rehosting them would cost too much and take too long, or D, the organization has lost its understanding of the application's functionality, or E, the organization has decided it is better to simply modernize its mainframe applications. Sometimes in these surveys, we see where an organization went down the path to eliminate their 3270 mainframe applications, only to revert to one of the aforementioned solutions after spending considerable time and money trying to eliminate the applications. Needless to say, eliminating 3270 mainframe applications is not an easy task or a risk-free path to take. We asked our readers if they were considering any modernization initiatives for their 3270 applications. As you can see, respondents are indicating that when organizations have decided to keep their 3270 mainframe applications, they work to modernize the applications themselves and/or the access to the applications, thereby keeping the applications very useful and beneficial to the organization. Thank you for listening to some results from our 2018 State of the Mainframe survey.